Hey everyone, this is Mike from TechHog.com, and we're going to be talking to you guys about two apps that kind of mirror each other, and we're going to tell you which one we think is better. We're going to start off with an app called My Coffee Card and Starbucks for Android. Both cards offer you the ability to purchase Starbucks coffee with your Android-powered cell phone. So let's jump right on in. First, we have Starbucks. Now, I don't have a Starbucks card, so I'm not going to be able to show you how to process and put all that in, and that's not really so much what we're going to talk about as it is the features and what each app offers you. The Starbucks card allows you to have your Starbucks rewards cards. It also allows you to see your points that you have. Here you can actually see your rewards. You have to sign in, or you can create an account if you don't already have one. This allows you to see how many points you've spent, how many you collected, and so forth and so forth. But it also gives you the ability to how to pay. This app allows you to use the Starbucks card at any of the 6,800 locations, including 1,000 Target locations. And if you happen to have a Safeway grocery store near you that is a licensed dealer, you can actually use it there as well. Now, that being said, what does it really offer you? Well, not a whole lot. Considering the app takes almost 10 megabytes of space on your card on your phone, and it can't be transferred to your SD card, doesn't really seem like it's the best advantage right off the bat, I'll be honest. It does have a nice map feature, which allows you to see the locations of the closest stores near you. Puts them as little green pins, and you can select them. It tells you the store number and the address. If you click on the little arrow, it gives you the directions, the number, and the store hours, and it tells you the amenities. You'll notice under amenities, it does not say that it accepts digital payments. If we go back to one and we pick one down here, this one tells you it does take mobile payments and it has a drive-through. So it's nice to see those little kind of details thrown in there before you go thinking, oh, I'm going to go spend my mobile payments there, but unfortunately you can't. You can also hit the little pin button or the little directional button at the top, and it uses the GPS and it focuses back on you. There is the list view. The list view, instead of showing you the map view, obviously shows you a list. Starts off with the closest proximity to you, and then thus goes out there from there. Here's a Target store. Again, they take mobile payments. Overall, that's really all the app offers. You have a little bit of more. You can do your billing information. You can see your Starbucks cards, check your account. Like I said, you're going to have to go to Starbucks to begin with, and you'll get the Starbucks card there. On the back of the card will have the number and the security code that you will use to put into the app, and then you can use whatever credit cards you have to add money to that. There are some security issues that I will get into when we get to this app, which is called My Coffee Card. My Coffee Card pretty much offers the same features, and in fact, it actually offers all of the features. You put your card number in here, you would put in your security code, and then you can name the card. The reason the naming of the card comes in handy is because you can actually use more than one card. Let's say you or your spouse or children have more than one card in the household, and you have different amounts on each one. You can label them mom, dad, kid, brother, sister, husband, wife, whatever you want to call it. That way you can have multiple cards in there, you don't get them confused, and it's just a little bit nicer of a feature. Unfortunately, the Starbucks app does not have that. Another feature that it has is the Order Notepad. The Order Notepad allows you to pick an entire list. Let's say you're in the house, you want your friends and family, you all want coffee. Write the list right here, get to the store, order right off the list, and pay with your phone. Boom, you're out like that. You can save at the top. So we'll keep going back. Again, you can. There's the button to add your features. This is your settings. You can actually do a require unlock pin. This is what I was talking about with security with the Starbucks app. It doesn't have any kind of security measure. So if someone finds your phone and they open it up and they realize you have the Starbucks app and it's not locked, they can go to any Starbucks location, get a cup of coffee or 10 cups of coffee, and use your account, and boom, they're out. And they can even check your status and your billing information. So not necessarily the best security features on the Starbucks app. So again, required a PIN to unlock. You can hit your widget which is I'm going to get to in a second. And then you have low balance notifications, something, again, the Starbucks app does not have. When your balance gets low, it automatically notifies you, and so you know to add more money to your account. Store locator on your widget, you can actually add that to the widget. And then disable your store locators and other features. You can actually do a backup to a database, so in case you switch phones, you can actually pull the information back down. You can upgrade to Pro, and you can learn more about My Coffee Card if you decide to. So let's go into the map. The map feature, I think, in this app is much better than the Starbucks app. If we come in, you'll see the list at the bottom here. You actually have different options to search by. You have Open Now, Mobile Payments, Wi-Fi, Clover Brewing System, 24-hour service, drive-through, oven-warmed food, and I know for you Android users out there, you may not like this one, but they do have a checked option for an iTunes Wi-Fi music store. It's nice to have if you have iTunes still. The dots are a little bit bigger and easier to see, and when you click on one of them, not only does it tell you the address and the location, but it also tells you the store hours, so you don't actually drive there and find out that it's closed. So again, that's a nice little handy feature as well. Overall, I have to say it's a little bit more of a robust app. No pun intended. There is a Pro version, which costs you a little bit more money. So, I have to say, I think overall, if I'm going to tell you to pick one, go with My Coffee Card. Again, they're both free apps. If you want to try them both out, see which one you like and see which one works for you, by all means. But I think if you want one that has a little bit better features to it, more robust features to it, I think you're going to be more happy with the My Coffee Card app. Again, it also does have a widget. You can come over here and we'll go in here and add widget. And you'll see it in your list. Scroll down here. You have a larger one, a small one. You can put in there. First, you actually have to add a card, obviously. And then once your card's in there, it'll put a small or a large widget. Again, that is something that the Starbucks app does not have. So, again, overall, I would tell you guys to check out My Coffee Card out of the 2 Coffee Card apps and see what you guys enjoy. My name is Mike for TechHog.com. Check us out on the web at TechHog.com, and we'll see you guys again.